Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be telling you how you can revert the update from iOS 18 to any previous version. So firstly, you're gonna go into this website, which is reboot.com, and you're gonna download this software. Now to use this, I will tell you how to do it. Once you have downloaded and installed the software, you're gonna run the program and connect your iPhone via USB cable. Then you're gonna click on iOS upgrade/downgrade button over here. You will be able to see it. Now choose the downgrade option and confirm your selection to proceed to the right option. Now Reboot will automatically detect the appropriate firmware for your iPhone. Click download to start the firmware download process. This ensures you have the correct version needed for the downgrade. Now once the firmware download is complete, you're simply going to click on this blue button in the middle where it says initiate downgrade. Then it's going to be done in a few moments and your iPhone will restart with the new iOS 17.7, or in this term, the old iOS update. Well, that's it for today's video. If this video helped you guys out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out. Thank you for watching.